This is my hydroponic strawberry system in sand. So I'm using a nutrient solution to feed the plants. I have a small pump over there which circulates the solution, which is delivered by drip irrigation. The drippers I use are 8 liter per hour and 4 liter per hour, and I'm growing my plants in sand and volcanic rock, volcanic sand. Um, the plants so far are growing well. We have some strawberries growing here, but right now it's the middle of summer, so it's very hot, and the plants are not producing very much. But soon I expect some more flowers from the system. The system then, when the nutrient solution is delivered to drip irrigation, then it flows to the Dutch bucket, which then drains in this PVC drainage pipe and go back to the reservoir, which is about 40 liters. And right now I have about 30 buckets, which some buckets with 2 plants, some buckets with 1 plant, and the plants are doing very well. See ya. Make sure to subscribe and like the video.